Hi, I'm David Rivas, Dimitra's AI director, and I'm going to explain how Dimitra uses drones and AI, artificial intelligence, to solve some of agriculture's most critical problems. A few years ago in Papua New Guinea, the fall armyworm, a highly destructive pest, destroyed over half of the maize crop on a farm that spans over 3,000 acres. To prevent this from happening again, the farm asked us to deploy drones for precision spraying. We decided to use drones for two main purposes. One set to capture images of the crops to identify infested areas, and another set to spray pesticides. Advanced drones give us the ability to apply various imaging and spraying techniques. Dimitra developed an AI-powered app that was used along with drone data to capture images of crops and assess the infestation stages of individual crops. Determining the stage of infestation was important as it informed us about the type and amount of pesticide needed. Drone pilots flew over the farm, gathering data that was then analyzed to create heat maps indicating problem areas. Ground truth data from traps set up by agronomists was used to verify our AI findings. Satellite imagery also played a role in identifying troubled regions and devising treatment strategies. This comprehensive approach enabled precise pesticide application tailored to the severity of infestation, enhancing the farm's ability to protect its crops efficiently. By using AI, drones, and satellite imagery, we were able to save the 3,000 acres of maize from devastation while reducing the amount of pesticides used, which ultimately results in more sustainable farming and healthier food. We have a case study on our website with more information if you'd like to visit to learn more.